Hey guys, we're here today doing a Ruud 4-ton 15 seer variable speed change out, standard change out in the garage. Um, we've been very happy with the Ruud products over the years. We've been installing for quite some time, and man, we really like how easy they are to install. They're very simple, and the guys at Tropic Supply and Ruud really give us the training we need to move forward and really learn how these systems work, operate, and install with ease and easeability for the customer as well. So we've been super happy with the setup. We've been super happy with the technology that's coming out with all their different inverters all the way up to 20 SEER. We've been super happy with Tropic Supply. Our guys down there in the Daytona branch are always on point and always have everything that we need, down to products, to equipment, to help. Todd Sutherland, Jeff, Debbie, and Steve over there at the Daytona branch really keep it together and keep us moving, and always come through with their word. So we're super happy with Tropic Supply. Big shout out to the Delvecchios for always taking care of his customers. We couldn't be happier, and just thank you guys for everything that you do. That's from Comfort Service here in DeLand, Florida. We appreciate it. Thank you guys, and keep up the good work. Ruud's #1.